This is the Iron Trader. Now the pitch just closed here at 2:30. That's about 25 minutes ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock market ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, before we get started, OPEC came out there today and they say they're going to try to do whatever it takes to get oil prices back up. They're cutting 21, 22 million barrels per day starting in January. So we got to see if they succeed or if this is all going to be just smoke and mirrors. Obviously, the market does not like it. All right, we've been in a downtrend here. We had a bull flag going on here, okay? We popped up a little bit here, and then it's been selling off here ever since. Now, what we did is we spiked up here, and we put in a top 79.77. This is the OPEC meeting, 79.60. What do you see? Double top, boom, down she goes, okay? So always watch these double tops here, especially when you get these spikes like this. That's the first tell that says she is going lower. So either sell your long position or short it like I did. Okay, now what do we have here? Now we got a low, a lower low, a lower, another lower low, and lower highs. This is not good. Okay, so what we want to do here, you're sitting at 73.24. So you want to look at this candle right here. You're looking at 72.91. Very, very crucial. And then we can do is we can come today's low, which is 72.63. And then we have to look at this retest on your price channel of 72.37. That's why it's easy when you set your charts up. I set them up as 8, 21 day, a 50, 100, and a 200 day SMAs on all time frames. And I always put these price channels in here because look how easy it is to see. Okay, so now this is going to be absolute crucial. Okay, this 72.37. Okay, so that needs to hold. If it doesn't hold, then what we do is just look to the left of the chart here. Okay, so what we want to do is look at the bottom of this candle here. Okay, so you're looking at 71.19. This candle right here, you're looking at 70.22 here. You got 69.90. We come over here, you got 69.53. We have 68.93, and then we come over here to this candle right here. You're looking at 67.50, and then we have your big retest here at 67.05. Okay, so that would be your target here. All these candlesticks here would be your target, and this would be your ultimate target here if this sold right off here. And you lost at 72.37. Okay, so always look to the left of your chart here. Very easy to see because where the price once was, it usually goes back to where it is. Okay, so this creates a good support and resistance levels right there for you. Okay, so again, just watch this key 72.37. If that's lost, we know where she's going to go. Okay, upside. Well, you want to look to Friday's low. Okay, so you're looking at 73.93, and then what we're going to do is you want to look to today's high, okay, which was basically 75.03. And then we want to look here to this key 8 SMA. This is going to be crucial. That's 75.57. If you can get above, your next level here is 76.66. If you can get above that, you go right here to the 78.08. Okay, so a lot of resistance. Your 8 SMA, 75.57. Okay, your 21, 76.66, and then 78.08. Okay, now again, if you can get above this somehow, then we look to this candle right here. Okay, you're looking at 78.77. Then we look to this topping tail here, 79.60. We look to this candle here, 79.77. And then we look to the bottom here, looking at 80.10. And then we come up into this candle right here. You're looking at 81.05. And then we look at the 50-day at 82.24. And then we have your Hondo there at 82.47. Now, I always try to point it out here where it could possibly go if this turns around. But right now, the only thing that you really have to worry about on the upside is this 8 SMA here, this 21 SMA here, and your 200 SMA here. Now, when the futures open here at 6 o'clock, these will be heading lower here. So this isn't going to be dead on here, okay? So when you look at 75.57, that could be 75.20. That could be 75 here. So when it opens up, we'll find out here at 6 o'clock when the futures open up here. So bottom line here, on the downside, watch your 72.37. If that's lost, We follow the candles all the way on down as far as they want to go to get a support. You need a bottoming candle. So what you need to do is have a higher low or a red dog, which is basically you smash all the way down and you got it seem like you're going low, you trap all the shorts, and then it rolls up higher. And that's how you usually start a rally. Okay. So just watch that key level right there, 72.37 upside, watch 75.57, and then you have your 20-day, 76.66, and then 78.08. All right, let's take a look here on a weekly and a monthly. Now, here we have the old monthly chart. Okay, you got a couple key levels here of support here. You want to look here at this 200-day. You're sitting at 73.29. Right now, the price is sitting about 73.24, so you're right at it. Okay, right below that here, what you have is you got your 69.15. Okay, so that's very, very key support. So you can see how, like in the past here, and again, this is a monthly chart here, how this is held here, this 50 SMA. It was holding this 200-day really good, and then it came down, rallied all the way up here, but now you got all these red candles here. So these are the two that you want to watch here, is that key 200 SMA here. You're sitting at that 73.29, and that 50 SMA here, we're sitting at 69.15 here. Now, on the weekly chart here, something a little bit closer here. Here's that key level right there. That's at 72.37. If that is lost here, your big target is going to be right here, 70.38. That is going to be the target where you should get some kind of a bounce, because you look at all in the past here, okay, see all of that, but even though it came all the way down, it didn't close for the week at that. See, it closed above that key 200-day. So that is going to be key here if, big if, that 72.37 there is lost. Now, you look at your RSI, that can go much lower here. You look at your MACD, the green is way below your red, headed right on down like a waterfall. You need to have it go up here if you're going to go long here. For me, it does make no difference long, short. Today was a really good day of trading there. I scalped up over a point there on UCO, and I scalped, what did I get on here on that SCO here? That was a real nice short there too. And same way at UNG, I scalped 10 cents out of that. Had to do it twice. And then cold, I got almost 4 points there out of KLD on the short side here on the Onata gas. So it was a really good day trading here as far as that goes. But bottom line here, watch the 200-day, watch this 50 SMA here. On your weekly, if this key level here, 72.37 is lost, there's going to be your target. 70.38 should provide some really nice support. If it doesn't, then we go back to that daily chart and we can take it all the way down here to possibly this level right here. You're looking at 65.38, 64.36, and then your retest here of 63.64. All right, let's see what old natty gas is doing. All right, natural gas. Here's your daily, your weekly, and your monthly. Now, let's just look at the daily here. See what we had here? Look at this. Came all the way down, but if you noticed, look where that price channel is, okay? 2.709. Real time right now, natural gas is 2.71, okay? So when you look at this candle here, that's what you closed at. See, your high was 2.75, your low was 2.649, and you closed at 2.715 right above that price channel. That's why you always want to put the price channels. Very easy to see versus say, oh, I got to try to find the bottom of this candle here. When you just look right there, boom, there you go. Okay, so that's very, very key level on support here. Now, so let's just look at the downside here first. Well, you want to look here at this key level here, 2.709. If that's lost, you want to look to today's low, 2.649. And if that's lost, you go 2.62. That is your key 200 SMA here, right there. Okay, so we've, this was holding that 2.82 real nice here. That was this candle here. Then it filled the gap right there, which is nice. And now she came all the way down to here. So if you look at today's candle here, 2.649, basically what you want to do is look at this candle right here, okay? And what you have, 2.64, okay? So you held that key support. So you already know when you look to the left of your chart exactly where she's going to go, okay? Your big picture is 2.62, and then your little picture is these candlesticks, okay? So you got 2.64, it held that, and if that's lost here, then you're going to go right down to this 2.62. Your RSI here still can go much lower here. Your MACD, your green is below your red. not turning up, no signs of that thing turning up here. So got to be very, very careful here. Now, on the upside, well, there's a lot of things to watch, but the key is you want to watch today's high. Okay, that's at 2.752. Okay, and you have 2.754, so you got a little bit of gap in there, but it's really insignificant. What you want to do is look at this 8 SMA here, very, very crucial. 2.80. Okay, that is very, very key. Now, if you can get above that, then what we do is we have this level right here. This is your 8 SMA here at 2.81, sitting right above your 8-day on your daily chart here. Always look to the monthly because you just never know. But when you look at this pattern here, this does look like a very good bear flag going on here. So, but we got to see how that all shakes out. But if you can give above this 2.80, then you look here to the 2.81, and then here's going to be your target here, 2.86. That is your 100-day here, and that is also your 21-day at 2.86. Okay, so this is what you want to watch right now is your 8 and basically your 100-day here on your daily chart. Again, if you can get above that, we can follow these candles all up here. But bottom line here, right there, 2.98, that is going to be your target. Okay, that is going to be your target. Okay, so that's what you have to look at. Now, if you can get above that there, then we have here at 3.02. That is your 8-day on your weekly chart, and then we can go to your 3.06 here. But very, very key right there. What we want to do this week is you want to watch this 8, and you want to watch that 100-day on the upside. On the downside, watch this key price channel, 2.70. Watch the bottom of today's candle at 2.649, and then 2.62. Okay, very, very simple. All right, that's what I got for you there today. I will be back tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock, and we will review the crude oil and the natty gas. Thanks for watching.